it's like so here keys must be different values, it should not be same. Suppose if we want to print this value, it is referencing, suppose we have 4110, so it is only referencing to the first element, that's why we have to change it. See, value has changed to 410. Here we will provide 4. The 4490 is printed. So we can add some more complex data over here, like, let me think. Okay, suppose a trade type, and we can add here so you have to add these values in every elements. So whatever you need, whatever attribute of a stock you need, you can add as a key value pair. So currently I have added only 2, so you can practice and you can add here more elements like profit and loss, you can add stop loss. So it's up to you now guys, you can add anything you want.